Hello, hello! Today is going to be a fun session as we are going to make a snail. So, let's see how does a snail look. It is right there in our book. Well, this is such a pretty snail and we are going to follow the 3 steps to make the snail. So, let's take our pencil and start drawing. We are going to start with a sleeping line and then a circle on top of it. Now, if you notice, the circle is at the back side of our sleeping line. So, let's make it that way. After that, let's take a line, which is a slanting line, outside of our circle. That's lovely. Now, we are going to make the body and then finish these circles. That's great. Make sure you draw a very light drawing so that it is easier for us to erase it. Make this shell nicely. Keep making these twirls inside just like a lollipop. Can we draw this together? That's amazing! Make a curve over here for the body and then these lines right here. You can draw this a little darker once you're sure that your snail is going to look like this. Make these lines for the body. Well, we are done with this one, right? So, the next step is to sketch this. Let's take our black sketch pen and do this together. Sketching with a black sketch pen is going to enhance our drawing and hence we are going to sketch it properly right on top of the pencil marks. Try and only sketch this with the black sketch pen. Go slow when you're drawing it on the pencil marks. That's amazing. Complete the body of the snail now. This looks lovely. We are not going to make these sleeping lines with our sketch pen as we will do it with our color. Take an eraser and start erasing. That's great. Can we now start coloring this? Well, yes, let's take a light pink color and color the top part. After that, we are going to take a medium pink and color the borders. Yes, very lightly. Do not press the color on top of the paper, but color it nicely. Release the pressure from the color and then color lightly. That's great. Next color which we are going to take is cream color or peach color. Let's do this inside. That looks great. We will now take maroon color and make these lines. This looks interesting. Can we join it to these curved lines now? Looks interesting, isn't it? That's lovely. Now we will take ochre color and do the borders. And after that, we are going to release the pressure from the color and color lightly. Let's make these dots on top of the body. Yes, this is going to be like a texture, isn't it? That's lovely. We are going to take yellow color and do it here. After that, let's take maroon color and start coloring on the border of our snail's shell. Do not color this by pressing the color hard on top of the paper. Color very lightly at first. We will try giving this a shading effect, for which we have taken maroon color first, and after that take a brown color and continue coloring on top of it. Again, we will not press the color hard on top of the paper. Color slowly and nicely. If you notice, we are coloring in a spiral. Hence, we will also color in C shape or in a curved line. Do not color this in standing or sleeping line. Keep the white gaps in the middle. Take light brown color and use it here. After that, let's take maroon color once again and darken these portions. This is a time-taking process, but don't worry. We have to mix multiple colors in order to get this kind of a shade. So, try taking colors closest to the ones mentioned in the book and start coloring the shell. We are now going to take brown color and color the shell. Color it very slowly and nicely. This is amazing!